Hey, what's good, everyone? Welcome back, future crypto millionaires and billionaires. Hope you are having a lovely day. So, very quickly in this video, we'll be looking at XYO latest updates and also price prediction for 2025. So, don't miss out. And in case you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop a new video. And also, please don't forget to like and share to your friends and family to be on the know of this life-changing project, which is XYO, as you can see right here. And looking at the chart of XYO, it appears to be wanting to begin a breakout above its previous resistance zone of 0.2018, as you can see right here, maintaining the price above the 200 and 800 EMA. The price above the 800 EMA signifies a bullish sentiment for this project, as you can see right here. And if you are looking at the RXI is currently at 54, indicating a neutral level for the price of XYO, as you can see right here. So looking at the chart of XYO, it seems solid. XYO is a project that has huge potential to perform well in 2025. Some of you are contemplating whether to sell or keep holding your XYO, and here's the truth of the matter, guys. Selling your XYO now, you are selling at a loss. Instead of you selling your XYO, why don't you hold on to it to make thousands and millions of dollars in the coming full bull run? Because XYO is going to explode massively. XYO is a project that has a huge potential, and it's a solid project that has been in the space for quite long now, creating exploit on the ground. XYO is going to make a lot of millionaires and billionaires in the crypto space. So if you don't want to fall victims of those who will be regretting not buying XYO or selling early before the massive explosion, do well to position yourself. And if you are yet to do that, this is the right time to do so. Anything I say in this video, please should not be regarded as a financial advice. Do well to do your own deep research before investing in this project. And if you want to invest wisely, always with the amount you can afford to lose. And let's take a look at XYO real quick on CoinMarketCap to see how the project has been doing in the last 24 hours, and also get to see how much we have to invest in XYO now to make thousands and millions of dollars, or to see if XYO has the potential to give us easy 30 to 50x of our investment capital before the year runs out. Now, looking at XYO on CoinMarketCap, you can see how super bullish the chart has been in the last 24 hours. And as of the time of making this video, the price of XYO is currently at 0.02085, and we are currently up 12.90% in the last 24 hours, which is a welcome development for all the holders of this project. And talking about the market cap, it can still be considered as an undervalued market cap. The market cap of XYO is currently at $280 million market cap, up 12.90%, which is great for a good entering opportunity for those of us who miss out. The first entering opportunity for this project. And talking about the trading volume, you can see how massively it has increased in the last 24 hours. It has went up as high as 415% in the last 24 hours, and the trading volume is currently at $39 million, as you can see right here, which is massive for this project. I'm talking about the total supply and the current cyclicity supply of this project. You can see that almost all the token in total supply are already in cyclation, as you can see right here. I'm talking about the previous all-time high price of this project. Talking about the previous all-time high price of XYO, you can see that according to CoinMarketCap data, XYO experienced its previous all-time high price 3 years ago, and as of then, that was November 6, 2021, and as of the XYO price hit 0.08203, as you can see right here. But right now we have dropped down minus 74.22% to get to the current price, which you are currently experiencing right here. So if you are to compare the previous all-time high price of XYO to the current price, you realize that we are still in the circle of its previous all-time high price, which is still a good welcome development for this project. And if you are to consider the previous all-time low price of XYO, according to CoinMarketCap data, it was 5 years ago. That was March 13, 2020, and as of the XYO price was at 0.409607. and comparing the performance of it from its previous all-time low price to the current price, you can see how it has performed incredibly well, guys. XYO has pumped as high as 21,915% to get to the current price which you are currently experiencing right here. A big congratulations to those who positioned themselves into the project as of then before this massive explosion occurs, guys. Okay, so if you have to look at the previous all-time high market cap of XYO, let's check out what was the previous all-time high market cap of XYO real quick before we get to know how much to invest to make thousands and billions of dollars in 2025 before the year runs out, guys. So according to CoinMarketCap data, it occurs that was December. It occurs 11th of December 2021. As of then, the market cap went as high as $980 million market cap before the massive correction to the market cap of $277 million market cap, which gives us a good entering opportunity for this project. So if you want to invest, remember, invest wisely with the amount you can afford to lose. So you can check out the community sentiment on CoinMarketCap as well, so you can see how bullish it looks right now, and you can see some comments about XYO on the comment section right now, as you can see right here. Now we have gone through the previous all-time high price of XYO and also the previous all-time high market cap of XYO. So what's your take about the price prediction for XYO? So as for me, I'm predicting the price of XYO to get to $1 before the year runs out, which is very, very possible. And if it happens that XYO should get to $1 before the year runs out, we'll be making roughly 47x of our investment capital, which is very, very possible. And if you are to invest $500 before the price of XYO should hit $1, we'll be making roughly $23,666, which is very, very possible to make from this project. Now you see how possible it is for we to still make huge return of investment capital investing in this project at the current price and current market cap. Now if we are to exit the market, we'll be leaving the market with a total amount of $24,166. Now you see how possible it is for we to still make huge return of investment capital from this project, and you see how possible it is for XYO to still give us up to 30 to 50x of our investment capital. Because if XYO could give us 47x of our investment capital, it means we are likely to see 50x before the year runs out as well. So what's your take about the price prediction of XYO hitting $1? Do you think it is very possible for the project to give us such amount to meet up with our expectation in a coming full-blown bull market? Feel free to drop your take of what you think about it in the comment section below. So that'll be all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, and do have a lovely day, guys.